My bathroom counter was always cluttered with toiletries everywhere. No matter how I organized, things kept piling up. I tried baskets, but they just took up more space. It was impossible to find my skincare or toothpaste quickly. My bedroom nightstand was overflowing with books and chargers. Living room shelves were packed. No space for new decor. Kitchen spices and mugs crowded every available inch of counter. It felt like my apartment was shrinking by the day. I needed a solution that didn't involve bulky furniture. Scrolling online, I saw so many storage options. But most were either too expensive or too complicated to install. Then, I stumbled upon BAYKA Floating Shelves on Amazon. The modern minimalist design immediately caught my eye. I noticed they came in a set of 3, perfect for multiple rooms. Each shelf can hold up to 22 utensils, super sturdy for all my stuff. The rustic wood finish matched every room in my apartment. I loved that they were wall-mounted, no floor space needed. Installation looked easy, even for someone not handy like me. The reviews were glowing. People raved about their versatility. I added them to my cart instantly, excited to try them out. When they arrived, I was impressed by the quality and finish. The instructions were clear, and all hardware was included. I installed the first shelf in my bathroom in minutes. Suddenly, my toiletries had a stylish new home off the counter. My bathroom felt bigger, brighter, and way more organized. Next, I put one shelf above my bed for books and decor. No more messy nightstand, just a clean, cozy vibe. In the kitchen, I finally had space for my favorite mugs. Spices and coffee essentials were now within easy reach. Every room felt instantly upgraded with these floating shelves. Their sturdy construction meant I never worried about weight. I could display plants, candles, even small speakers without fear. The black finish added a modern touch to my decor. Guests always ask where I got these stylish shelves. They're perfect for renters, easy to install and remove. No more cluttered counters or overflowing tables anywhere. These shelves maximized my storage without sacrificing style. I love how they blend seamlessly with any room's aesthetic. They're great for displaying photos, art, or collectibles too. I even used one in my home office for extra supplies. Now everything has a place, and my apartment feels bigger. I can finally show off my favorite decor pieces. No more hiding things away in drawers or cabinets. Cleaning is easier because surfaces are clear and tidy. The transformation was instant. My home felt organized and chic. The 22 lbs capacity means I never worry about overloading. I've even recommended BAYKA shelves to all my friends. They come in different finishes, so there's something for everyone. Perfect for apartments, dorms, or even offices. If you love stylish, functional storage, these are a must-have. Imagine your bathroom counter totally clutter-free. Picture your living room with beautiful, organized displays. Think about all the space you'll save in your kitchen. How much time will you save finding what you need? Why settle for boring, bulky shelves when you can have these? Are you tired of clutter taking over your home? Do you want a quick, stylish upgrade for any room? Wouldn't it be amazing to maximize every inch of space? What if organizing could actually make your home look better? Ready to give your space a trendy, organized makeover? Why wait? These shelves sell out fast on Amazon. Don't miss out on free delivery with Prime. Transform your home with just a few simple shelves. Imagine the compliments you'll get from friends and family. How would you use these versatile floating shelves? What room in your home needs a style boost? Are you ready to say goodbye to clutter for good? Click the link. Your dream organized home is just a shelf away. Don't let clutter win. Upgrade your space today. BAYKA Floating Shelves, the trendy, urgent solution you need now. Your home deserves this upgrade. Grab yours before they're gone. Organize, display, and impress. Make every room Insta-ready. Why wait? Start your home transformation with BAYKA today. Ready for a clutter-free, stylish home? Shop now. What will you display first on your new floating shelves? Let's get organized together. Don't miss out on this trend. Upgrade your home. Upgrade your life. BAYKA shelves await. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.